Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, October 23rd, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Yes, we had another crappy day today. Um, it's, well, anyway, I'll uh, give you my thoughts in just a second. We only had one positions coming in. Um, But even though we had profits on it yesterday, that went to a small loss of $765 on our one single stock. I don't know how we managed to get into 7 new positions today, but we did. Uh, the Dow was never positive the whole day, and it started out down over 400 points. So I don't know. Anyway, we got into 7 new positions. Only one's positive, 6 are negative, and we are carrying negative $4,600 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. Um, you can see here with the Dow, it gapped down massively this morning. It was down over 400 points down here. Okay. And then it rallies. And then it does a little gooseneck there at the end. Officially, it's down 31 points. Um, hey, that's not right. Okay. But, okay, it's down about 122 points. I read the wrong index, but I got another reading up here on the screen. So if the Dow ends up down 122 points, give or take a couple, okay? Um, so no big sell off if you take the close, but it's this very indecisive action that is killing us. And I'm almost to the point of thinking we're going to have to live with this for another 2 weeks until the elections. Those of you who've been following me for a long time, if you can remember back what it was like prior to the 2016 elections, it was just terrible. In fact, I think I took a trading break. It got so bad. And this is kind of the patterns that I'm seeing right now. I don't know if I'll take a trading break. Maybe I'll just trade through this, but it is pretty ugly, let's face it. Okay, I'll show you a couple stocks. This first one illustrates our frustration. This was the one stock we had overnight, Gray Television, and it's been a good stock to us. And we had about almost $2,000 in open trade yesterday on the close. We bought this about midday. It stayed up there pretty nicely. Did a little pullback at the end. Then this morning it just crashed. So we saw our $2,000 something profit go to negative 700 something. And that just illustrates our frustration with this market. As soon as anything gets up, the sellers come in, the profit takers come in, the short sellers come in, and they take it down. We're just seeing that pattern repeated over and over again. I will show you the one profitable trade we had today, but just like Gray Television was profitable yesterday, we're not out of this. This is SENS, which is Sensonics Holdings Incorporated. And it had a big gap up this morning. We bought the gap. It went against us initially, and then it took hold. Had a nice rally, pulled back a little at the end, and we have almost $3,000 in open trade with Sensonic. So we just have to hold our breath and see what happens tomorrow. This is Trader Bob signing off.